I hate anything about her, but I think what I love about Bobby is her thirst for life. Like, she really wants to do things for her parents and to make them happy and proud about her. And she has to prove her mettle to herself too, so that she can continue her faith and go on about her journey.
She hates his guts, and I think the same thing is with Lala because he feels that the whole mohalla is scared of Bobby और सब लोगों को डर लगता है और लाला को नहीं लगता है और सब लोगों को लाला से डर लगता है और बॉबी को नहीं लगता है. It's a very love and hate relationship. Daredevil,
Headstrong,
intelligent,
ethical,
and loving. I don't even see them as producers because for me they are my friends.
It's a very heartwarming production to be a part of.
तो मैं जब दिया और साहिल को इकट्ठे देखता हूँ तो मुझे दिया के साथ वो वाली फीलिंग आती है और साहिल के साथ वो वाली फीलिंग आती है.
One another great thing about the whole production was that they made sure that everybody, whosoever is a part of this, Bobby Jasoos, is aware of the script. Everybody is on the same page. She makes absolutely sure that nobody has to go through any problems on the set. Also, acknowledging the work that even the spot boys are the lowest in the production hierarchy, you know, what effort they make.
You can make money, you can make good films, but इज्जत कमाना बहुत मुश्किल काम है. And I really wish both of them that they make hundreds of movies like this.
I remember those 7 days were almost like a fairy tale, you know. It was a perfect amalgamation of work, coming back having fun, being in a very lovey-dovey environment. It was like almost a family that you're staying with. It was extremely nice an experience. The location doesn't really matter. It's the people that you're working with.
I think what we shot in Nampally, where Lala lives and his garage is there, क्योंकि that area is so earthy, so real, और वहाँ की language, वहाँ का माहौल, वहाँ के लोग, वहाँ का पहनावा, वो इतना relevant है हमारी फिल्म को कि हमें कुछ भी create करना नहीं पड़ा, सब कुछ बना बनाया मिल गया. उसके बारे में मैं आपको एक छोटा सा जोक बताता हूँ कि वो समझ में आ जाएगा कि एक बच्चा जो है वो रोता हुआ अपने घर पे गया तो उसकी मम्मी ने बोला काय को रो रहा. तो बच्चा बोला टीचर मारी मेरे को. वो काय को मारी चुड़ैल ने. बोले मैं उसको मुर्गी बोला. बोले काय को बोला चुड़ैल ने मुर्गी. बोले मेरे को एग्जाम में रोज अंडा देती. So it's really nice, and that kind of language, if you can have a control on that, command on that and speak, it's amazing.
The way they say things, kai ko ja rahe, kya kar rahe hain, it's really amazing, you know, and it's even fun to see people who are non-Hyderabadi adapt to it so nicely and use it. It's a very cool language actually.